were lucky to have Katrina be part of the project and give us some of her luck. With him, he's attracted both kinds of media reporting. अगर मैं सलमान भाई की जगह पे होता तो मैं जरूर एरोगेंट और पागल हो जाता. This is why God gives him so much, because he has so much grace. When I see you, I get visuals of you looking for your prawn flavored chips. I think we made an all audience film. It's a pure Hindi film. Hi, this is Atul Agnihotri and you're watching me on Bollywood Hungama.
ये वो ईद पे पिक्चर आ रही है ना? कौन सी? बॉडीगार्ड.
Well, we have with us the hottest producer in town, Atul Agnihotri, whose film Bodyguard is releasing shortly, and tremendous anticipation about the film. Wonderful to have you back on Bollywood Hungama, quite some time, in fact.
Yeah, thank you for the very grand introduction.
You know, I think it's absolutely true that the kind of response the promos have been getting. Off Bodyguard, we've got a theatrical trailer, almost 5 lakh video views so far. Other promos have been getting a fantastic response on Bollywood Hungama. There's a huge buzz around the film. It's a Salman Khan film after 2 super hits blockbusters like Dabangg and Ready. Obviously, it has to be like really hot.
Thankfully so. I think it's got to do a lot with how Bhai's been doing in the box office, and there's a great expectation that's good for the film, that I think any film would wish that. So it's nice that there is an awareness. We have a ready audience waiting. So we feel in a positive way pressure that we have to perform. We shouldn't let the audience down. We shouldn't let Salman's fans down.
मैं एक बॉडीगार्ड हूँ. मेरी ड्यूटी के अलावा ना मुझे कुछ दिखाई देता है, ना मुझे कुछ सुनाई देता है.
इनफैक्ट आपका जो रिलीज़ है वो ईद पर है, एंड ईद पर पिछले 2 सालों से वांटेड एंड दबंग सलमान की बहुत ही बड़ी हिट्स रही हैं. दैट इज़ अनदर वेरी पॉजिटिव एस्पेक्ट.
Actually, we started this movie before Dabangg, and before Dabangg, definitely ईद का phenomena भाई के साथ तो था ही, but I think after Dabangg it became more. So we had already started, we had already decided to come on Eid, but post Dabangg, the Eid date became the best date possible to release a film with Bhai, I think.
बॉडीगार्ड.
प्रोमोज में आपके जो डायलॉग्स जो सामने आए हैं कि मुझ पर एक एहसान करना, कि मुझ पर कोई एहसान ना करना, और मैं मारता कम हूँ घसीटता ज़्यादा हूँ, बहुत ज़्यादा मकबूल हो रहा है. कैसा लगता है आपको?
अच्छा है. It's nice, people have liked it. Bhai's character speaks like that in the film. So it's a little of everything that is there.
मेरी एक खासियत है कि मैं मारता कम हूँ और घसीटता ज्यादा.
In fact, in the recent times, we've seen that Salman has been giving a lot of inputs of his own. Say in Dabangg, many of the punchy dialogues which came about, even Ready, many of the punchy dialogues, it was said that Salman had written them. So over here, has Salman's inputs been there?
Yeah, inputs are there definitely. He's a thinking actor. He's a contributing actor. Been inspired by the film. He's been looking forward to this film. He's, I think, given his 110%. Mostly works big time.
मैंने जो एक बार कमिटमेंट कर दी, उसके बाद मैं अपने आप की भी नहीं सुनता.
एक बार जो मैंने कमिटमेंट कर दी, उसके बाद तो मैं खुद की भी नहीं सुनता.
I think it's become a regular norm. I think in Salman Khan movies that there will be some punchy dialogues. We saw in Ready as well.
जिंदगी में 3 चीज कभी अंडर एस्टिमेट नहीं करना. I, me and myself.
Now, is this dialogue मुझ पे एक एहसान करना, has it been written by Salman himself or is the dialogue writers?
Yes, it is.
Salman has written that.
Yes, it is.
मारता कम हूँ घसीटता जाता हूँ.
वो ऐसे सारे लाइन जनरली इन्हीं से आते हैं.
मुझ पर एक एहसान करना कि मुझ पर कोई एहसान ना करना.
But that works because it's a verbal way of showing that attitude that he's trying to project. Audience पसंद भी करती है, और dialogue बाजी हिंदी फिल्मों का हमेशा एक बहुत बड़ा हिस्सा रही है. आई थिंक माई फादर इन लॉ हैज रिटन सम ऑफ द ग्रेटेस्ट डायलॉग्स.
एंड आजकल हम लोग एक ये ट्रेंड भी देखने में आया है कि आई थिंक 70s 80s के जो डायलॉग्स का जो बिग डायलॉग्स दे यूज्ड टू रियली क्रिएट एन इम्पैक्ट, तालियां बजना, सीटियां बजना. आई थिंक दबंग से वो दौर फिर से शायद वापस आया मेरे ख्याल से. सिंघम में हम लोगों ने रिसेंटली देखा था तालियां बजना, सीटियां बजना.
नहीं होती है. आई मीन गदर में भी हुआ था, और जैसे ऐसी फिल्में होती जहाँ मासिस का हीरो दे फील द आइडेंटिफिकेशन, दे फील जब हीरो मार रहा है तो हम मार रहे हैं, तो वहाँ डेफिनेटली द रिस्पॉन्स इज डिफरेंट. When you make multiplex kind of movies, then the audience reaction is such. I think we made an all-audience film. It's a pure Hindi film.
There is a certain perception that maybe your promotions have started a bit late. Your first promo came out on 22nd July with Singham. Your movie is releasing on 31st August. Like, it's like a 40-45 day window period. Generally, like a Dabangg, the promos came out much earlier. I believe it was almost a 2-month window that they had. Even same with Ready as well. The promos, the Dinka Chika and Character Dealer, they came much before the actual release of the film. And now there is a tremendous anticipation for songs like Teri Meri. I Love You, I think has got on very well as well. But we still don't know when the promos are releasing and your film is releasing on 31st August.
Well, they'll be out this Sunday.
Teri Meri is coming this Sunday?
All the audio will be out this Sunday. Maybe we are a week here and there, but we're not stressing about it. Because by the grace of God, the awareness is there. People are aware. We didn't really need to panic to establish that there was a film like this coming on Eid. The movie-going audience, the avid viewer, he's aware.
No, there is no doubt about the fact that the anticipation, as I said in the beginning, there is a huge anticipation, and one does not doubt the fact that आपकी जो opening लगने वाली है वो phenomenal होएगी, इसमें कोई doubt नहीं है. But still, there is a perception that I believe you guys have been shooting till the last minute. In fact, the Katrina song was shot recently in late July.
Yeah, but it's not last minute as in from the movie point of view. Sure. The movie was complete a month ago. After the movie is complete, you tend to improvise. This title song was an addition that initially we had recorded the track from a promotional point of view. We were going to shoot it as a promotional song. That's why it stayed till the end. But the track was so rocking, and it turned out you connect the track with the lyrics, with Bhai's image. We thought we should incorporate. That's the only reason why that went down to the end. We were lucky to have Katrina be part of the project and give us some of her luck.
Bodyguard!
And I believe Katrina has said that she's very fond of your wife, Alvira.
Oh, we're all very fond of her. It's mutual. It's really nice that she's done it. It is the title, it is the introduction, and anything that you add to enhance, it's for the viewer. It's not for us. It's not a home video. It's for the viewer. So we're only trying to cater harder to please the audience, and definitely by her being there, it adds that.
Rumors doing the rounds that Karishma Kapoor, apparently she's having some cameo, maybe she's doing a voiceover in the film. What exactly is the truth on that?
There's no truth to that. There are more stories in market than things that are happening here, but I think it's all for the good. That I haven't been blessed by that kind of curiosity before, and this time that I'm receiving it for my product, for my film that I'm part of. So if people are interested, they're asking questions, they're speculating. In publicity, there's always the good, bad, ugly, everything. It's part of the package. ठीक है, जो भी है बढ़िया है.
तो करिश्मा किसी कैपेसिटी में क्या अप्रोच किया गया था उनको?
नहीं.
तो ये सिर्फ एक रूमर है.
ये रूमर है.
अगर आप अपनी म्यूजिक के बारे में आप कहना चाहें, आई थिंक म्यूजिक का जनरली बहुत ही पॉजिटिव रिस्पॉन्स है. मासी, आई थिंक देसी बीट और बॉडीगार्ड जो टाइटल ट्रैक है वो एक बहुत ही मास ऑडियंस को कैटर करते हैं. आई लव यू एंड आई थिंक तेरी मेरी इज अ ब्यूटीफुल सॉन्ग, एंड दोनों जो हैं बहुत ही एक आई थिंक बहुत ही खूबसूरत गाने हैं. कैसा रिस्पॉन्स आपको मिला जनरली गानों के लिए?
रिस्पॉन्स तो बढ़िया है. आई बीन सर्फिंग योर site every day, checking, reaction is positive, is encouraging. I think so far so good. तेरी मेरी तो हमने अभी तक विजुअल रिलीज नहीं किया है, और ऑलरेडी लोगों में इतनी चाह है उस ट्रैक के लिए. टाइटल ट्रैक का लोगों को अच्छा लगना बहुत ज़रूरी है, क्योंकि कहीं ना कहीं एल्बम का जो चेहरा होता है वो टाइटल ट्रैक ही बनता है. तो टाइटल ट्रैक का लोगों को अच्छा लगना बहुत ज़रूरी है.